Affiliate marketing, it's a great online income that can earn you an extra $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Some even earning $10,000 plus per month when they go full time. So without further ado, let's go straight into how you can get started with it. If you don't have any background knowledge of what affiliate marketing is, it's basically you getting paid when you promote another brand's product and when somebody purchases. The way the brand and you keep track of who you've referred is through an affiliate link, which they provide for you when you sign up for their program. It's unique to you so they know that you sent that customer so you can get paid for everyone you send over. And it's unlimited commission as well. So this means if you send over 10,000 people and all of them buy something off of your link, then you get paid for every single person that has bought something. This is where affiliate marketing becomes a great side income, because the bigger the audience you can grow, the more you'll be making. There's a few different ways that you can start affiliate marketing. The first one is through social media. This is where you create a social media account on whatever platform you pick. This can be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, whichever one of your choice, and you create it around a niche. A niche is just a topic. It can be cleaning, like the one I have right here. It can be around dogs, cats. It can be anything that you're interested in. So anything from unicorns and books to gadgets and tech reviews. And it does take time to build an audience. Without an audience, it's way harder to make commissions and sales with affiliate marketing. So you have to be patient and be prepared to take the time and effort to grow a dedicated audience to whatever you're posting. So make sure you're not promoting too hard to them, because a lot of people can tell when you're just trying to promote. Make sure whatever niche and topic you pick, you're actually providing information and valuable content to them. And that way your commission and your sales from affiliate marketing will skyrocket. And the next way you can get started with affiliate marketing is through forums and Facebook groups. The way this works is you go to different forums on like Reddit and Quora and different Facebook groups and put in your links to your products that's matching with the niche. So say you join a Facebook group right here for body and weight training, and you have affiliate links for something in the workout niche that you can promote to, and you know those people will be interested in. You have to be careful with this because some Facebook groups don't allow affiliate links in there, so just check and make sure before you join that they allow people to promote in their groups. And my favorite way to do affiliate marketing is through websites. The reason it's my favorite because once you build it up, it's the most passive. You can create blog posts about 30 to 40 on your website, and for years to come, that still can be making you commission. Think about how many websites people go to in Google. Every single last website in Google is probably monetized through some type of way so they can earn commission. Every single link that you click on a random website in Google probably has an affiliate link attached to it. And if you buy something off of that website, the person who made it probably just got paid off of you. This is PC Gamer. As you can probably tell, they talk about a lot of PC related stuff and gaming stuff, which is a really popular niche. But whatever niche you go into, I highly recommend starting with websites because it does take a lot of work up front, but it does have a higher return of investment after you put in all that work. Whichever method you pick, you're going to need affiliate programs. Affiliate programs is your bread and butter. This is where you get your affiliate links so you can promote said products. The first one right here that we're going to talk about is called CJ Affiliate. They do big numbers, as you can see, 1 billion plus monthly global customers, 14 plus billion annually, and 16 plus billion dollars annually. That's a lot of money. It's really easy to sign up with CJ Affiliate, and they don't turn many people back either. And once you get signed up, this will be your dashboard right here where you can see all the information you need on different brands that you want to get signed up with. You can see the network earnings, how much they'll pay you can apply to the program, and right here is where you're gonna get your links for the program. You can scroll through here, and whatever brand matches up with your niche, you can apply for it and start promoting it on your website, blog, whatever you pick to promote your affiliate links. And the next one you can get started with is Amazon Associates. Amazon is a really good program for newer affiliate marketers to start in because everybody already knows Amazon, they already trust it. So you get way more commissions promoting their products. And it's really easy to sign up. Just go to amazonassociates.com, hit sign up and put in your information, and most of the time they'll accept you right then and there. Once you get signed up, it's really easy to promote the products as well. All you gotta do is click on a product, and you can see it up here. It's going to say get link. You can get the text or the image, or you can even get ads if you want to. Once you hit the text, this is your link. You just hit copy and put it wherever you need to so you can promote your affiliate link, because this right here is your affiliate link that you want to promote on your website or anything. And another affiliate program that's pretty popular is going to be Walmart affiliates. Everybody knows Walmart just like they do Amazon, so it's really easy to promote their products as well, and it's really easy to sign up and get accepted into their affiliate program as well. Once you get signed up for their affiliate program, it's really easy to promote their products as well. All you gotta do is scroll through and find the products in your niche, or you can type in whatever niche you're in, chainsaws if you're in the chainsaw niche, or whatever you're in, because Walmart has a lot of products just like Amazon, and they have a really good affiliate program as well. So I suggest signing up for Walmart, Amazon, and CJ affiliate. When you're first getting started, they accept pretty much everybody, all three of these with ease. Some other affiliate programs that you can join is going to be Impact.com. They have a really nice affiliate program similar to CJ affiliate as well, where you can sign up to different affiliate programs. Another one is going to be Target. You've heard of Target. I think Target is pretty popular where I'm at. I've heard of Target, obviously, so it's a really nice affiliate program to be in and promote their products as well. If you're anywhere in the business niche on any social media, you know exactly how popular drop shipping is right now. That's why drop shipping affiliate programs are crushing it as well. One that you can sign up for is going to be Spocket Affiliates. They are a drop shipping supplier. They're really nice, actually. I've used them a couple times. They have a lot of decent products and they have fast shipping times. So if you want to sign up for their affiliate program as well, it's a great one to be in right now as well, with all the new drop shippers that's coming into the market. Another dropshipping affiliate program you can be in is going to be BigSpy. BigSpy is a product research tool, so you can know exactly what type of products are trending and see if you want to promote them type of products or not on your dropshipping store. I've used this tool a couple times. It's a pretty nice tool. They're cheap, affordable, and they have a nice reoccurring affiliate program if you want to join it as well. Reoccurring means if you have somebody sign up in January and they stay signed up all the way till June, all the months you'll be getting paid from you referring them in June. So you can really rack up with reoccurring type affiliate programs. Depending on what platform you chose to promote your affiliate links on is going to determine how long it's going to take you before you see a return on investment of your time. If you chose social media, from my experience, it's going to take you around 8 months to 1 year of consistent posting of every day. You need to post 1 to 2 times every day before you start seeing around $1,000 plus per month. It does take time and effort, but once you get into a flow and really like the niche that you chose, make sure you pick a niche that you like when you choose on social media, because you're going to be doing this for a while. Just make sure you like it, because once you do, it's not really much of work. It's just basically just creating social media posts on a topic that you already love. With forums and Facebook groups, you can start earning in a couple of days, but the thing is, it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort for this one. This is going to take you around 4 to 6 hours per day promoting your affiliate links in a lot of different places and a lot of different Facebook groups and forums. And the good part is you never know how much you can earn. You can earn like $500–600 per week. But on the flip side, you might not earn anything. It all depends on the people that see your links and if they want to promote them or not. With social media, you already know like exactly how many people is going to see your post and what they like once you grow that audience. With websites, it's the same way, but with forums and Facebook group, it's a new audience every day. So that's why it's a little more risky than the other two. And lastly, my favorite, websites. It's probably going to take you around half a year to a whole year before you see a return on your investments on this one. But this one is the most passive. Once you create that website and all the blog posts that needs to go on it, you can spend like 2 hours per week just doing maintenance on the website once you really built that up, and it still can be making you $1,000, $2,000, $3,000+ per month. That's why that's one of my favorite, and because it's the most passive, but it does take the most work up front. So just be aware that it's not easy. Affiliate marketing is a great income, but it's not easy. But if you put in the time and effort, you can definitely make a decent amount of money with it. So just stick with it. And thank you for watching the video. I hope you like affiliate marketing, you decide to start it, because it's truly great. Trust me. I started a few years back and it's really been great for me, and it's going to be great to you as well. Until next time.